If you own a small business in the United States and you have not already, you absolutely must file your BOI report, which is required by the Corporate Transparency Act by January 1st of 2025. Failure to do so could result in penalties, daily penalties of up to $591 a day. I don't know about you, but that would destroy my small business. I am Dr. Emily Lean. I have a PhD in management. I have been teaching university classes in College of Business for 20 years. I started my business with my husband in 2008. I have my own consulting business. I am coming to you, begging you to please share this information with as many people as possible. I just found out about this 3 days ago, and I'm a professor. I should know this stuff. This information is not getting out like it should be. And I'm trying to make sure that I'm sharing this with as many people as possible so that you are avoiding this penalty and you're doing what you need to do. If you have never heard of this, I had not either, right? Again, I told you 3 days ago. You need to go in the description underneath this video, I'm going to embed links to my website. I have already gone through the government website. The government website is called the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. It sounds really scary, and it's not the easiest thing to dig through and find the frequently asked questions and how to enroll and how to do all those things. So if you go to the description, go to my website, and I have embedded on the page it's going to send you to the PDF that's going to have the frequently asked questions. You can, as soon as you click on it, it's not going to ask for emails or information. I'm not getting anything from you. This is not me trying to gather data. This is me simply trying to share information. Go to the website, click on the PDF that's going to show you frequently asked questions. It's going to let you know why it's required, when the laws and everything happened. There's a very, very few types of organizations that are exempt from this, and they're pretty much financial institutions like banks and that kind of thing. So check it out, but I'm almost guarantee that you're not exempt from this. You're going to have to fill it out. Okay, on that same webpage, there's also going to be a link to go to. When you click on the link, it will take you directly to the government website where you need to start entering your information, right? It's not scary. It's not hard. I just did this myself a couple days ago. It's going to ask for your name, your company's name, your EIN. It's going to ask you for any beneficiaries who's connected to it. So the idea behind the beneficiary ownership information report is they're actually trying to make sure that we're cutting down on fraud and illegal activities, right, from different investors not reporting their taxes properly. So for my example, me and my husband own our own business. So when I went in there, I put our company name in there, Lean Management. I had to put in our addresses, phone. Yeah, I did not ask for phone number. I don't, maybe asked for phone. I can't remember. Put that information in there. The most personal thing it's going to ask for is a copy of your driver's license. It does not ask for social security numbers. If you are not an American citizen or you're concerned about citizenship documents, I feel you. My husband is not American. He does not have his American citizenship. He's here on a visa, a green card. So I'm very sensitive to that kind of stuff. I went through the whole process and never asked for any kind of citizenship documentation. Name, company information, how to get in touch with you. Very, very simple things. It's not scary. It's not hard. I have on my webpage, I also have a Spanish frequently asked questions on there. So please check that out. Share that with people. If you're saying, well, how do I not know about this? I didn't know about it either, right? And I'm a university college professor. This does not fall under the responsibility of your attorney or your accountant, right? This does not fall under taxes. This does not fall under legal because, again, this is under the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, part of the Corporate Transparency Act that was passed a couple years ago, and that now all companies have to do, right? There's a chance, maybe, possibly, that when your accountant did your 2023 taxes for you, maybe they went ahead and filed this on your behalf. I would check with them, but I'm going to guess in most instances they have not. I need you to like, subscribe, post, repost, push through, all the things, because by doing that, you let YouTube know this is an important video. And what that means is the algorithm that YouTube uses to decide what videos it's going to push through will push this video through. And we need as many people to know about this as possible, because what I don't want is your friends and family getting to January 1st and not knowing about this, and then we have this crazy fine. This is going to have to be like a grassroots kind of campaign, because I don't know any other way to get this information out than to blast it through all of our informal social networks. How many people do you know that own a small business? I own a small business. My aunt owns a small business. My grandmother owned her own small business. My dad owned his own small business. I have tons of friends and family. Anyone you know that has a side hustle has to complete this. If you have an EIN, if it's a corporation, it's a LLC, single member LLC, an LLC, anything that has an EIN and you have to report on taxes, you have to file it. So if you have more than one LLC, you have to file a separate BOI report for each LLC. Again, it's not hard, it's not time consuming, it just has to be done. Please protect yourself, please protect your business, protect your friends and family, your church friends, your neighbors, anyone you know. Again, please share this video. If you need to share the video with someone who does not speak English, click on the closed captions. It's going to give you an option. I'm going to put some pictures up here to show you what I've done. Click on the closed caption at the bottom, click on auto translate, and then pick the language you want to hear this video in, and it will translate at the bottom everything I'm saying. Don't take my word for it. I'm not an expert in this, right? I don't know that right now there's any experts out there in this. Read the frequently asked questions. Make sure this is something you need to do and that you're not exempt, or that for whatever reason, maybe you don't need to do it. Please don't get caught with this fine. Share it and tell everyone you know. Thank you.